how to make English automatic. How? It's so simple. Use it in your daily life. When you use it, this one will be on one day automatically. When you speak, use pauses between your sentences. When you speak, use sound waves when you speak. Speak loudly, not quietly. This word, loudly, is correct word? Not. But I use it. Why? Because I can. Why? Because I'd like to use it. Because I don't know how to use this word. Out loud or load out. Simple result is I use what I know because I learned. If I use what I have at this moment, after I opened my mouth, I can tell something for someone. If I think this is not enough, better idea is if I don't speak. But this theory is stupid theory. This is not for me. Until you have bad habits, you must be perfect, your English is not enough, you are not enough in your life, etc. Everything will be same. When you change these elements from your mind, from your brain, and you take it out to the trash, your life and your English speak will be better. And I think this is so simple. Only practice your English daily more hour, and your English will be automatically better. So how to make English automatic? Practice it in your daily life. Not read, not subtitles and TV. Forget for stupidity, not fill out forms. Speak. That's mean. If you use any teacher, speak. Not fill out any forms, not grammars, not words. Speak. Yes, with your bad grammar. Yes, with your bad foreign language accent. Because when you speak, you will be better. When you don't speak because your grammar is bad, such as mine. When you don't speak because your accent is so bad, such as mine. When you don't speak because your formalization, your sentences are so bad grammatically, such as mine, you lose. But I won because I use this language. Until you don't practice, don't learn and don't study, practice, you can use and you must use what you have, and you can use only what you have, you lost. The question is only simply and this one. You'd like to win or lose?